In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split scene feature in CapCut. This is a quick and useful tool that can save you a lot of time when you're editing, especially if you're working with longer clips and want CapCut to help separate different moments automatically. Instead of manually cutting every section yourself, the split scene feature can analyze your clip and break it into smaller parts for easier editing. To get started, open CapCut and go to your project. If you already have a project in progress, simply open that one. If not, you can create a new project and get your workspace ready. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're in the main timeline view, since that's where this feature is used. Next, add the video you want to split into the timeline. You can do this by importing your footage, if it isn't already there, and then dragging it down into the timeline area. If your clip is already in place, you're ready to move on. Try to make sure you're selecting the correct video clip before using the feature, especially if your timeline has multiple files. Now, right-click on the video clip in the timeline. This will open a context menu with several editing options related to that selected clip. If you don't see the menu, double-check that you clicked directly on the clip itself and not on an empty space in the timeline. From that menu, choose Split Scenes. CapCut will then begin processing the clip and automatically detect scene changes within the video. Depending on the length of your footage and the performance of your computer, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes, your original clip will be divided into separate segments based on the scene transitions it detected. This can be very helpful if you want to rearrange scenes, remove unwanted sections, add transitions between moments, or simply make your editing workflow more organized. It's especially useful for content that includes clear visual changes such as vlogs, travel videos, interviews with cuts, or montage-style footage. If the results aren't exactly what you expected, you can still fine-tune everything afterward by trimming, deleting, or moving the split clips manually. So think of this feature as a fast starting point that helps speed up the editing process without taking away your control. That's all there is to using the split scene feature in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.